The three lights were spotted around 9 p.m. They flew clockwise in an elliptical pattern. Security guards had heard motor sounds. All was based on eyewitness reports from security guards. No drone units have been found in the area. Based on my experience from the Copenhagen airport drones, could it have been ordinary commercial planes, just like all the other drone observations? Links to the article in the description. Please check out my other debunks in the links.